This is the form list page where you can view all of the forms that have been built and are available on your account. There are two statuses on this page: active forms and inactive forms. So inactive forms are simply forms that you don't want to use anymore, but rather than completely delete them, you can just make them inactive. To make a form inactive, you click on the checkbox at the end of the row on the form that you're talking about, then go to the bottom of the page, select action, and then deactivate. And that form will then move from the active forms tab into the inactive forms tab. It's also important to note here in these actions that you can also clone a form. So if you've built a form and you'd like to create a similar one and then make some changes to it, then clone the original form and then go in and make your adjustments to the cloned version. Saves a lot of time. Okay, if we have a look across the page, every form that you create will be given a unique ID. You can name the form when you create it and also give it a description just to help identify what it is. You can then have form options and form actions, and there are separate videos on each of these sections, but the actions, for example, trigger what's going to happen when the form is submitted from the mobile device. You can put an expiry date on the form when you create it. Under document management rules, a lot of forms have an expiry date, so it will monitor those for you and will turn orange when it's within 30 days of expiry, and can send you a notification, and then will go red when the document's actually expired, and again will notify you. And then to edit is simply to be taken into the form builder where you can add, move and change the form. Okay, so that's the overall status of the View Forms form list page, and of course to create a new form you can just click the green button in the top right hand corner.